Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't, and today we are going to install this app which will help us to synchronize the data between internal storage, SD card and any external device like OTG you are using. Link to this app will be in the description with the benefits of using this synchronization. So quickly open this app. Now click on plus icon and here you have to name it. Just name anything. I want to synchronize the app backup in the internal storage to a folder inside my SD card. So you can choose if you want to copy the data or if you want to move the data. As I want to move the data, so I will be clicking on move, and I want to include the subdirectories also, folder inside folders, right? And the sorting order is default, processing in which you have to do. Now when you click on source directory, it will ask you from where you have to copy or move the files. Click on it and go to the internal storage, right? And you have to choose the folder which you want to copy. So this is the one, app backup. Just use this folder, click on allow. Now in the destination directory, you have to choose a folder where you want to copy or move these files. Just click on it and go to the place where you want to copy or move the files. Click on disk, as I want to go to the SD card, and now I want to move or copy into this folder, auto move or copy to SD card, and click on use this folder. Click on allow. Now you can also sync only when you charging the mobile, but I want to do it right now, so I'm not turning this option on, and I want to sync as soon as the files are being created in that folder. Now filter, you can use the filters like copying or moving only the .mp3 files, .mov files, mp4 files, just like that. And I want to enable this task, so just turn on the last option and click on this tick on the upper right corner. Now this task is on, but the synchronization service is disabled, so we have to turn on that service. So click on these three dots and go to global settings, and you have to enable this service, and you can change the frequency of it, after how much time this task should perform its actions. Like every 24 hours you want to execute this task automatically, then you have to choose this option. But for showing you, I am just selecting this 5 minutes. Okay, so every 5 minutes it will be updated, the data in the SD card from the internal storage. Click on OK and click on enable sync service. Now it has been enabled, and if you go here, you can see that looking for the files to sync. Now it is moving the files as we have selected the move option. So let us see. In the disk I have this folder, and you can see that the files are being copied, right? Perfect. So the files have been successfully moved as we chose the move option. These folders are empty, but this structure is perfect. We have the folders, and inside the folders we have the files. So now you can just delete this folder because we used the move option. You can also choose the copy option. So just pause the task and click on edit. You can edit this task itself also, but if you want to create a new task, you can go to the plus sign here, and again we want to copy the app backup. This time we are going to use the copy option to show you that the files are not deleted, they are only copied. Include subdirectories, source directory. We have to go to the disk, and we want to copy the same, this auto move or copy to SD card, this folder we want to copy. Click on allow. This time we are going to copy from the SD card to the internal storage. So in the destination directory, you have to go to the internal storage and choose this folder, anyone you want where you want to copy. Use this folder, click on allow. You can do this process in the USB OTG pen drive also, or the memory card you are attaching through the OTG cable. Same process will follow. and immediately filter everything, enable this task and click on this tick mark on the upper right corner. But first let us rename it to something else so as to differentiate it. Click on tick mark. Now this is the task we have. The thing why it is not being run is because of the setting of 5 minutes, right? You can see in the next sync is on the time 2 p.m. 36 minutes. So at that time it will sync. But I want to show you now, so I am just going to change the service, disable sync service and enable the sync again, so it will start the syncing right now. Okay, let us see. In the folder you can see right here we have the files copied in the background without our involvement, so it is automatic. And if you go to the external storage, you can see the files and folders are still there and they are copied to the internal storage. Okay, perfect. And now if you want to pause the task, you can pause it and they will run on the frequency as set here. You can see here. So what I am going to do is I will make a frequency of 24 hours. Okay, and then I will enable the service, sync service, and then these tasks which are on will run automatically every day at this time, right? So please subscribe to Boost Up Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.